Bodhu is having his breakfast. It's roti and chicken soup. And Kali already had her breakfast with little dry whiskas. Is my Mimi darling. Mimi darling is having what? Cheese sandwich. Cheese sandwich. She doesn't like corn, so only cheese sandwich. And I am having cornflakes. Stop করে খেয়ে কোপ করে খেয়ে So today is Monday. We are waiting for our madam's call. Mimi will be having a conversation, examination, long session. Until the call comes, we are having our breakfast. And today we will go in the afternoon to hospital for our third anti-rabies vaccination dose. And here is Bolu. Bolu, come here. Show your face. Jeep. So Mimi, tell me some conversation. What is the day today?
Today is Monday.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
When is your birthday? When you are hungry, what do you say?
Mama, this I am hungry. Please give me some food.
Okay. Next. When do you do wrong, what do you say?
I am sorry.
Yay! So we are going to Beleghata Hospital for vaccination. Mimi doesn't know. No. Let's go. Mimi is frightening everyone. So good night, Good night. Today is Tuesday morning. We are here waiting for the call. Mimi has her last exam today and having our breakfast like other days.
outside puja room, Vodhu is waiting for me, and I want to show you people that Vodhu's wound has been totally healed up after chemotherapy. Chemotherapy worked miraculously. Now I have to clean my microwave again with lemon water vapor. Here is my lemon water, and I will place in the microwave and start it for 1 minute. Now I am cooking a mixed vegetable with a panch foron and a bay leaf and a dry chili in it. Now I will add all my vegetables. These are cabbages, carrots, potato, tomato, all together. Now adding some turmeric powder and salt into it, and after adding salt the vegetables will start releasing water, and that water won't be sufficient, but almost this vegetable will cook in that water, will make some more taste rather than adding more water from the bottle. These guavas are from my garden. I am crushing some ginger on my silbatta for adding it into the vegetables. It really tastes nice. Now on my silbatta I will paste some poppy seeds very smoothly to make my another item, that is potato and okra curry with poppy seeds. This is really tasty, and poppy seeds are actually very cool items, means it's summer, in summertime it makes our body cool. So we Bengalis prefer poppy seeds during summertime more than in winter season. While my vegetable is being cooking, now I am preparing the lunch for my furry babies. This is Mimi's vegetable without chili, and after that I will add chili into my vegetable. Before serving it, the water in the vegetables I am just drying all up, and that actually makes the vegetable tasty. Kadai, I have put it on the oven again and adding some mustard oil to make okra, potato, poppy seeds vegetables. And when the oil gets warm, I am adding the black cumin seeds into the oil. Actually onion is much better if we add here, but I don't have onion now. My onion has been finished, so I am utilizing cumin seeds. And now adding my vegetables, that is the okra and potato, into the oil. And in this item no turmeric powder we use. Adding some salt. Vegetables releases water after we add salt into it, so that water is makes vegetable tasty if we cook the vegetable in it. While my vegetable is being cooked, I am serving food to my furry babies, and here is Kalu. My vegetables has been now cooked well, and at that point I am adding my poppy seed pastes into it. This item I also keep for Mimi without chili and for myself with chili. After cooking, I have habit of cleaning my kitchen properly. Here is my lunch. This is potato okra vegetables. This is my mixed veg. This is aloo fry, potato fry, and this is dal.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken. With no
Here I am showing where Kalu is having his cancer. You can see his penis. It's swollen, very much swollen, having lumps which I can feel while touching, and even doctor has already removed the skin and washed it properly. And this is his amputated leg, and he used to sleep throughout the day in this way.
Hello everyone, today is Tuesday evening time, 5 p.m. only. As a new vlogger, I did a mistake because I think as I'm very amateur in doing videos, I'm just practicing myself in this new work. Actually, after I got vaccination, actually we got vaccination from the hospital yesterday. I visited to my brother's place. So, and we have a lunch on a small restaurant there in Lake Town, and that was chow mein. We all like chow mein, and Mimi specially love chow mein. So we had our
Lunch there.
and then we went to my brother's place. There Mimi had a very nice time spent with my brother's daughter, who is just few years elder than Mimi. So, but I forgot to shoot all these things. So and then when I returned home at night, then I think that what I have done, I forgot the camera, I forgot to shoot everything, because that thing could be a very nice vlog for yesterday, but I did a great mistake then yesterday. And today now whole day we are at home, and Mimi in the morning had her last examination. This we are little relaxed, although her teacher has given lots of pressure for doing many things to learn for future in the next class, but I think I don't like to give pressure to my child, and even I also don't like to give her permission to watch mobile and TV for few minutes. Even I don't like to give her. Her father used to do that during weekend times, ignoring my words, but I don't like these things. She can play, she can jump, she can uh, she used to do this. She just does a lot of mess, but no TV and mobile. These are very very bad things for health, for eyes, because as I am even a cancer patient, as a cancer patient I have the issues of my head, in my head, headaches and eye problem. I had a pretty much a long IT career. I was a web designer for almost 8 years, so I know this field very much, and what pressure actually our health have while doing computer and mobile works, that I know very much. And what's the um, sentence means, proverb, that health is wealth, that I have actually lived that proverb. So for me it's a big no to give my child mobile and computer and TV and all these things, else she can do anything. And she already has broken my one glass table. This was in first floor. In front of my sofa there was a glass table. She already broke that. She already broke the window glass even, and many things she has wasted me. Okay, one incident I want to share that yesterday on the hospital, the ladies, that there was a female department who are giving vaccinations, and there was a lady, I think very aged lady, and she's just have, I don't know what frustration they have. Some people actually have, without any provocations or anything, she's just telling shoutily, "Ah, you you people don't has the responsibility to keep your children. You people, many children are there who got bite, dog bite or cat scratches and anything. Many children throughout the whole Kolkata are coming there for vaccination. Some are from below poverty line people, some are middle class people like us, and she's just shouting on everyone that you people, you parents don't have responsibility, you don't feel pity for your child, just hold your child like this, and other employees just ignoring her words, and she's just shouting, and all are saying that just ignore her, just ignore her. I don't know what frustration those people have, that they don't have the, even they don't have the manner to treat patients, because we already know that doctors behavior uh, actually heals patients issues partially. So these are, when we see this kind of approach, and not even she's a doctor, she's just noting down the records only, not even she's the nurse also, I think. But government officials, even on the last on the motor vehicle department also, I found not like this. They are very sweet to me, but they actually asking for bribes. They are very much linked with those brokers and everything. So the whole system, there is lots of corruptions in our government offices, and in the means private offices the people are working hard. There is no, I have not found any corruption there, because there is a strong administration. But in government offices, you can see wearing the headphones. uh, I don't know, is it there is a vacancy of doing this work, or they are just sleeping. I'll tell a story that I hired a driver few days before, and the driver was saying that he used to work in the metro railway. Uh, so maybe he was a labor there, and he said that after entering some water into the project, they have stopped the work. And you know, Didi, I just go there and just sleep for the whole day in AC, and everyone was used to sleep there. And we get a salary at the end of the month. And then I asked him that why you were sleeping. That is a government project. Huh? We don't need to work. So I said, no, it's not a government project. It's just our project. You just think what you have left for your children in future, because you will die someday, and your children will suffer that his father has not done any work throughout his life, while he got the salary and all, he slept in the office. And like him, many people, she also said that not me, even all the employees like this, they feel that they can sleep and they get the salary, and that's why, and they're thinking that this is a government project. So in this way, and I said, I am just hearing that this Ganges means Howrah to Kolkata, this under river, that metro connection will start since 15 years, almost 15 years. I am even hearing that. So when it will open, when it will start, then he said More 5 years. I said that no, if you sleep like this, not even in 50 years this will happen. And actually I feel that these people don't feel to work because they don't think this is our work, this is our people's work, this is the work for the nation. And even the administration also sleeping. The thing is like that, because in private companies they are also employees with such mentality, but administration is asking without work I will not pay you. But here administration is saying yes, if you don't work we will pay you. Then if I stop the payments, then you will start protests with placards. Yeah. So it will affect our vote banks, and I don't know where from this full corruption is linked, and suffering of the common people, suffering actually not the common people, he also a common people, but he is not thinking of his son or the other people. So I don't know what's the logic and what's actually. I think our culture actually forgets the dharma means your duty. What's our duty? Our responsibility. So for me, it's a dharma. So we have forgotten our dharma. We are just now rootless. We say that we are atheists. We are this and we are that. We don't believe in God. We don't believe in anything. We don't believe in any rituals and all those things. So, but if we know we have already, India is a place, such place, and our culture is such that we always praise those people who have sacrificed their life. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose has sacrificed his. He could have been the richest person or the powerful person or could have lived a life like other people. Although we are praising them, but we don't like to follow them. Even I have met some people that those are saying that we should work for the animals, we should work for the poor people. Then I said, when if you see your family member is working for the poor people or working for the animals, then you will stop them. This charity won't makes any gain, economical gain to us, so stop it. Our perception changes stages where we are sitting now. If you give uh, gyan to anyone, we are saying that we should do that, we should do this. So lots of my feelings I have shared now. So these are totally my inner feelings, and I know you people may or may not agree with me. That doesn't mean that I am. You just stop watching my vlog, because I actually believe in various perceptions, because I am watching this glass with half water, half filled water, and you are watching this glass with half empty. Whatever may be the reason, but life must go on, and humanity, religion, and our dharma means our duty go on. So keep watching my vlog. I am ending this vlog today now. So goodbye and see you tomorrow.